his performance kind of dipped a little bit. But Eddie, what do you see with Eddie? Because he has these spurts where he'll score a goal, he might go a bit quiet, he'll have a few minutes off the bench, doesn't do too much. So where are you at with Eddie?
I appreciate Eddie. I've been an advocate of Eddie for like a long time. If it does come to a point where we have to let him go, it has to be done.
Oh, I appreciate Eddie. I like Eddie. But if it comes to a time we've got to let him go, I'll let him go. Bro, these man chat absolute Bulgaria all the time, bro. I'm so sick and tired of listening to this guy. What's this guy talking about, bro? What is this guy What is he talking about? Some budget French Montana talking absolute Bulgaria on AFTV just to get a couple likes. Gala Boca French Montana, yeah? Because you can't get a hit without assistance, bro. Without Drake and Rick Ross, you can't get a hit. Filo da puta. Why did you come out and tell the truth? How can you rate a player, but you're telling me, oh no, I rate him, but we can get rid of him in January? Would you say that for Martinelli? Would you say that for Jesus? Would you say that for Saka? Would you say that for Saliba? No, because you actually rate him. What are you talking about, bro? You know what I mean? Huh? You know, Montana once again, bruv.
Obviously, with the whole FFP, we got to make money and get money back to buy more players. But how I see it is a squad game.
Yeah.
Back in the day, even you look back to the Invincibles, you look back to the 2002 double winning team, we had squad players.
Yeah, 100%.
Edu, your guy.
Yeah, hold tight, my guy.
Like, guys wouldn't start every game, but they'll come on, they'll contribute. Yeah.
No. The difference, Filo da puta, is Edu was levels above El Nene, yeah? The levels that we had on the bench were levels, yeah? And they could compete for the first team place, yeah? Not you doing a remix, nothing but a Drake, nothing but a Drake. You know what I'm saying? We talking about her. We talking about her. Cala a boca, pá. Tá falando à toa, this Filo da puta. What are you chatting about? About how are you comparing this bench that you man are saying we need to get rid of in January to make way for Ivan Toney, and you're comparing it to the Invincible bench? Would you have got rid of the Invincible bench in January? No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't, because there were actually levels. Filo da puta talking rubbish.
2004, Edu came on Stamford Bridge, scored a goal.
Right.
Eddie comes on, does what he needs to do, and he gets the goals and he helps us. Do you know what I'm saying? But if we need to, like, with the whole FFP era, if we have to make a bit of money and sell him on, cool. But I do advocate for him. I do like him.
Okay. Oh, I do like him. But if we have to sell NKETIAH, I'll sell him. But I really rate him. I really rate him. Shut up, man. Shut up, bruv. You know what I'm saying? What are you talking about, bro? What are you actually talking about? Stop twerking for this fan base, bro.
Hey, let me.
But today, I mean, Kiwior, for me, Kiwior.
Think you done all right, yeah?
I like Kiwior, man.
Yeah, he won a lot of headers, but...
Oh my days. French Montana. Oh my days. Bro, go ring Shrem Life and ask them for another hit, bro, because this ain't it. This ain't it. This is not it. What are you talking about, bro? Oh, I like Kiwior. What do you like about Kiwior, bro? Doing leg breakers, bro. The Polish Granit Xhaka. That is what Kiwior is, bro. Erratic. Defensively, no awareness defensively. You're saying, oh, I like Xhaka. Bro, bro. Why didn't you leave for Leverkusen with flipping Xhaka? If that's your standards, go along with him. Acabou. Porra! Sempre mesmo tema, sempre bater a mesmo tema, sempre a mesma porcaria. Tô cansado, mo. What are you chatting about? Huh? Bruv, nah. I'm done, man. This is my fan base. This is my fan base. Oh my days. We ain't winning the league until 50 years, bro.
Yeah, I feel like left centre back, left back. I feel like he's young. The most expensive Polish player in history. That's a stat there as well. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got all the stats like Julian, but I got that stat there. Like,
don't worry, here's it.
I ain't got all the stat there. I got that stat there. What are you chatting about? The stat there. What are you talking about? London, French Montana. What are you talking about? Filo da puta. Oh, because he cost a lot of money. What are you chatting about? Havertz cost a lot of money. Is the guy the levels that we need to win the league? What are you chatting about? We broke our transfer record to get Pepe in. Did that mean that he was good enough to play in this team? What are you chatting about? This guy chats rubbish. Chelsea bought Shevchenko for record-breaking money. Was he good enough for them? Was he good enough? Man United spent big P's for Veron back in the day. Was he good enough? What are you chatting about? Because flipping these, man. I'm telling you, my club is finished. It's absolutely finished, man. It's finished. Just liquidate the club. Just liquidate it. What is the point? What is the point? We got fans that don't want to win. Fans are, oh, we could do a job, we could do this. It's the same crap every flipping season. Bro, I don't need French Montana in the fan base, bro. I don't need it.
He ain't got all the stats either.
Yeah. I'll take that. I think I like Kirion, man. I think he's a stand-up player, and I would like to see him play in the first team more. But yeah, we'll see, man. Academy players, hopefully, maybe more next season then.
Okay, let me end on.
Honestly, bro, I still feel the same, man.
Oh, I like that. Okay, I didn't know if he was gonna be consistent. I thought we were gonna come back and be like, do you know what? I thought about it.
Honestly, I was saying to Julian off camera as well, like literally, after today, we got the knockout rounds. We got knockout rounds. We got quarter semis. If we have like 7 good games, I know it sounds crazy. I got to put it into context. I know like people were getting onto me in the comments. We spoke about it last time when I said about the Premier League and Champions League. But at the same time, you go through to the knockout rounds, you get a favourable draw. We win the away games, we get a draw, and win at home. You never know, man. In 7 games, it's gonna sound crazy, but the Champions League at the end of the day is a cup competition.
Yeah,
it's a cup competition. So like.
So why do you need a favourable draw? If you love this team, you love this manager, you love this squad. Everything is amazing. Everything is amazing. We bridged the gap with Man City. Everything's incredible. Why do you need a favourable draw? I'll tell you why I feel that, Puta, because you man sit there chatting absolute rubbish, bro. Absolute rubbish. Talking nonsense. And I'm sick and tired of it because you don't really believe the crap that you're telling me. Which is why you want to get rid of this fixed bench at the start of the season. Now you want to get rid of it. What's going on? What's going on? I thought this bench is fixed. I thought everything's incredible. None of it. It's only been a couple of months. Vai tomar no cu, bro. If you think we're the best, let's take on the best. Because guess what? To win the flipping thing, you have to beat the best, filho da puta. So why don't we go and play the best? Talking absolute rubbish.
I know obviously we got the best players in Europe playing in it, but at the same time, if we can get the luck of the draw, if we win the away games or get a draw, then you never know what happens going through in it. Me personally, Champions League, if we get to the final Wembley, clip this again. I always say clip it. We're going to get there. We're going to do it, man.
Don't worry, I will clip it. French Montana, I will clip it. Don't worry, I've clipped it. It's already been clipped, filho da puta. Yeah? And when we don't win it, don't worry, I got my apology box. Because I'm sick and tired of hearing this pucaria from this fan base about we're going to do this, we're going to do that. It's all emotion. All of it is emotion. None of it is logical. There's no logical reason to how we're going to win the league. What is he talking about? What is he talking about? We got Jorginho that can't defend, can't attack. We got El Nene that's out of form and not good enough. We've got Kai Havertz. This fool that only turns up for 3 games, goes missing again. Even against flipping PSV, he can't even turn up. We got NKETIAH, flipping hell. Ring, ring, ring on that Nokia 6610. But I'm sick and tired of hearing it. We got Trossard looking like Uncle Fester with a flipping hairline, with bags under his eyes, like he needs to flipping go on Instagram and do a flipping makeup tutorial because you need to wake up, filo da puta. Take a shot of Red Bull, drink a Prime. We're sponsored by Prime, but you're looking dead all the time. What's going on? You know what I'm saying? We got Rick and Morty at the back in Kivio, looking like Morty from Rick and Morty with his balloon head. Bro, what are we talking about? What are we actually talking about? Ben White. Bro, Ben White looks like a younger version of George Michael, bro. I don't need George Michael as a right back. I need a right back that can flip and defend, filo da puta. What are we talking about here? What are we talking about? Both our centre-backs looking like Phil and Lil with their flipping bean heads, bro. What is going on? Man, bro, what are we talking? Oh, my days. Oh, my days. This fan base talks so much crap. And then we got Jesus to finish our chances. The Brazilian Fredo, bro. Brazilian Fredo. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I don't need you to bust a flipping... Bro, I don't need a fire in the booth. I need fire in front of goal, filho da puta. 2 games we've drawn. I don't need fire in the booth. I'm done, bruv. It's a joke. It's an absolute joke, and this man getting gassed. I don't want to go, man.
Isn't it from the